Does that mean she'll be the first to the finish line?
Just to ensure that's where she's supposed to be. But it's a tantalizing final. I really think it's gonna give us some fireworks.
So let's mention that though 11 Jamaican ladies have gone sub-11 this year, Shericka Jackson is not one of them who has gone sub-11 this year. She does it now. That makes 12 Jamaican women going sub-11 this year. Shericka Jackson, in my estimation, is in sub-10-8 form.
The women's 100 final coming up. The athletes taking their positions behind their blocks.
Sabrina Dockery still not in by the blocks.
Let's start in lane number 1. She represents Sprint Tech Track Club, Ashanti-Moore.
Yeah, Ashanti-Moore has traveled far and wide and has come back home to train with Sprint Tech. Look good in qualifying.
Tina Clayton, the World Championship silver medalist, goes in lane number 2.
10:76, her personal best. The World Championship silver last year behind Melissa Jefferson-Wooden.
There's the great Shericka Jackson, MVP Track Club in lane number 3.
Multiple medals at Olympics and World Championships. The second fastest woman in history over 200 meters. She fine sprinter.
Underestimate this one at your own peril from Dynamic Speed, Lavania Williams.
Some spectacular 60-meter races this year that indicated she could be a sub-11 girl. She has delivered on that promise. 10:95 at her best.
Alana Reid, you can just never count her out, competing unattached. She goes in lane number 5.
Yeah, our national under-20 record holder has run a season's best to get here at 11.17.
She's had a fantastic year as well so far from the MVP Track Club. Janelle Smith is in lane number 6.
10:99 twice this year. She won gold back in 2019 in Doha, running on the 4x1 team, was also a finalist at that World Championships in the 100 meters.
And lane number 7 got into this final because of the late withdrawal of Elaine Thompson-Herah. This is Sabrina Dockery.
Yeah, looking forward to seeing how she goes. Doesn't look up to it, but I know she has extreme quality in her legs.
And closing on the field in lane number 8, one of the 11 Jamaican women to go sub-11 this year, Jodine Williams, the second Sprint Tech athlete in the final.
Jodine Williams at 10:97 delivered her sub-11 a couple of weeks ago in Texas. She is very confident. Sprint Tech with 2, MVP with 3, Nike with 1 in Alana Reid, Adidas with 1 in Sabrina Dockery. Lavania Williams, Dynamic Speed.
Dockery did beat Williams in that race. The final of the women's 100 meters. Shericka Jackson, 3 times the national 100 champion.
Stand up.
The defending champion Tina Clayton in the field. Her twin sister Tia Clayton did not turn up for the event. Found it a little strange when I saw her enter for just the CAC games, Tia Clayton, and now a no-show.
Are you okay?
So much quality missing, and still, this is a cracking lineup. Worthy of any national final.
All 8 ladies have personal best below 11 seconds. Though all 8 do not yet have season best below 11 seconds.
Moore, Jackson, and Reid have not gone under 11 yet this year. They're on their marks. Final of the women's 100 meters. Can Tina Clayton defend? Off they go. Tina Clayton got up brilliantly. Shericka Jackson and Lavania Williams running well. Janelle Smith coming forward. It is Tina Clayton and Shericka Jackson gets it. What a performance from Shericka Jackson. The veteran comes up big and defeats the World Championship silver medalist. Janelle Smith finished quickly and got third. The MVP athletes go 1, 2, 3.
Amazing running there. Shericka Jackson. We look at Llewellyn Stark and Andre Edwards, Kishane Thompson in the crowd. But what a spectacular run. Coach Stephen Francis, Paul Francis, Manboard, Kingsley Rose, the team all delivered, including not just season's best, but personal best for Janelle Smith. The best start, Tina Clayton, lane number 2, ahead of Shericka Jackson. Before the race, I said Shericka Jackson is in 10-8 shape. She had not gone sub-11 yet. And there she goes. She challenges Tina Clayton, her training partner, and out in lane 6, all black, Janelle Smith sets a new personal best, 10.94. 1, 2, 3 for MVP. Shericka Jackson showing her class in her second 100-meter race of the year, and she goes 10.81. Negative 0.3 win.
Wow, let us get confirmation. Shericka Jackson, 10.81. Tina Clayton, 10.85. Janelle Smith, the personal best, 10.94. Ashanti Moore, 11.08. Jodine Williams, 11.08. Lavania Williams, 11.13. Alana Reid finishing in 7th with Dockery in 8th.